Hi there, my name is John and I'm a very happy customer of CedCommerce while I've been building my Shopify app or my Shopify store. And my brand is selling autographed sports memorabilia and entertainment, and I was building a store from the ground up. I only sold on eBay to begin with, and now we had switched to creating our own Shopify store, connecting it with eBay, syncing the inventory, and managing both stores simultaneously while we continue to improve my Shopify store and eventually phase out the eBay store. So upon using CedCommerce, I had been using a different inventory syncing app prior to using CedCommerce, and it had some issues with not transferring over some item images, some other data. And so I continued my research into inventory apps, went to CedCommerce, and immediately was helped with the customer chat, and they walked me through every single step that I needed to take, assured me they could get it 100% correct, even though several other apps I had tried definitely had their issues. So I was a little cautiously optimistic, I would say. But Rishu walked me through every single step. We got on Google Meet for in-person meetings, and I could share my screen with him so he could see exactly what I was doing right, what I was doing wrong, and he could guide me through every bit of the setup. It was very informative for me to learn how to use it, so I could pass it on to others who will be creating new items and so on. And they were always available to help, no matter what time of day it was. They're always willing to connect with me, and it's a lot easier to do troubleshooting when someone can look at what you're doing. And so just the fact that we could meet up on the Google Meets, he could see and walk me through all the problems I was having, or any problems I was having, not all the problems. But otherwise, they kind of took care of everything else on the back end, and most of my time was kind of sitting around waiting for them to just finish all the good things that they were doing. And then once we got there, anything else that needed fine-tuning, I was able to quickly get on there, help chat, talk to one of them, especially Rishu, and get everything squared away. We figured out a whole bunch of problems. The site looks great, the inventory works, everything's synced perfectly. Images, all the metadata, all the data points kind of line up. And so made it a very easy experience for me, especially after using some others where I had weeks worth of problems. And so I'm very, very happy with CedCommerce. It seems to be the right way forward for me and our website to kind of seamlessly integrate between Shopify and eBay. And it saved me a whole lot of time just using their platform, getting their support from their tech support, and walking me through everything step by step. So I'm greatly appreciative of their work. I'm greatly appreciative that the app works as well as they claim it does, and I will definitely be continuing to use it for quite a while. So thank you to everybody at CedCommerce, especially Rishu. Sahil actually helped out a little bit too. Thank you guys, really appreciate it.